Hello friend, this is a very short tutorial about working character animation. So let's start this tutorial. First you need fully rigged character. For this video, I am using Make Human character. If you have Make Human software, then open this software and under this modeling, you can change body shape. Under this geometry, you can use cloth, eye, hair, teeth and etc. Under this materials, you can change its skin color. Under this pose, you have to select here default skeleton. Then click on this export icon and you have to select here make human exchange. Click on this three dot, give its name, then click on this shape. Jump to Blender. Now we have to enable two add-on. So click on this edit, then click on this preferences, then click on this add-on. First you need to install import routing MHX. When you download this software, you will get this add-on with zip file. So simply you have to install this. Then second add-on you have to enable, that is Rigify. Now close this window. Also we have to change unit type. So click on this scene properties, then expand this unit and under this unit system select here Imperial. Press N for this panel, then click on this MHX routing, then click on this import MHX, then open folder, select file, enable this override exported data. Under this rigging, under this rig tab, select here Rigify, then click on this import MHX. Wait for few seconds. Now you have this character. Switch to object mode, then click on this items and you will get its height, that is 57 feet height. So what we have to do, we have to scale like this. So press S, then scale. Now height is normal. Then press Shift A, under mesh, select plane. Then we have to change Y dimension of this plane, that is 2.6, and also change X dimension of this plane, that is 1.2. This is for reference because average adult person complete from 2.2 to 2.6 feet distance in a one step. So this is for reference. Now select this bone, then press N to hide this panel, then split this window like this. Click on this arrow and change this window into non-linear animation. Also change this window into timeline. And for this tutorial, change its end keyframe value, that is 24, that is 1 second, into 60. Now this is for 1 minute. Now change into pose mode. Then select this, press 3. Now press G, then Y to move on Y axis like this. Now select this, then press G, then Y to move on Y axis like this. Rotate little bit by pressing R, then move on Z axis. Also press 7 for top view, then press G, then X and move like this. Select this, then press G, then X and move like this. Now we have to change hand position. So select this, then press G to move like this. Now press 1 for front view. Now press G and move on X axis like this. select this, then press G, then X and move like this. Press 3, press G to move something like this, and also select this, then press G and move like this. Make sure that you are at first keyframe. Select this bone, holding shift, select this bone, select this bone and also select this bone. Then right click on this insert keyframe and select here location, rotation and scale. Now zoom this window, keep mouse cursor here, then press shift D and move like this. You have to keep at 14 keyframe. Then select this, right click on this, click on this copy and change keyframe value, that is 7. It is mid of this 2 keyframe. Then right click on this paste flipped. Now press spacebar and you will get this animation. Now switch to object mode. Press N for this panel. Expand this window like this. Now click on this icon. Now select this body action. Now press N for this panel. Then click on this strip and expand this action clip. Now we have to change its repeat value, that is 100, because average person at least make 100 steps in a minute. Now you have to also change this end keyframe value here, that is 1440. Now press spacebar and you have this animation. Make sure that you are at first keyframe. Right click on this Y location value and select here insert single keyframe. Jump to last keyframe. Then change Y location value, that is minus 260. Then right click and select here insert single keyframe. Change its interpolation mode by pressing T. Then select here linear. Now press spacebar and you have this animation. Thanks for watching this video. Leave your comments and subscribe this channel.